When it comes to online Bible study resource, Bible Hub is one of those resources that if you have not started to use, maybe you want to go ahead and give it a shot. What's up, everyone? I'm Reynaldo Ramos with VineMedia. VineMedia, yep. And we just love to help point people to Jesus, that is the vine. And we do that by pointing people to resources that we think will help you stay connected or get connected to Jesus, that is the vine. Today, I want to look at BibleHub.com. And I want to look at the pros and cons of this very popular online resource for studying the Bible. If you've Googled Bible verses before, chances are Bible Hub is one of those websites that have popped up to show you that Bible verse. So you may have used it and not have even known about it. But let me give you a few pros and cons. One of the biggest advantages of Bible Hub is that it's easy to use. The website is super clean and simple, and it makes the navigation of it and your availability or the ease of finding information super easy. Additionally, like most of other Bible resource websites, it has a wide range of Bible translations, such as your favorite: King James, ESV, NIV, NLT, NRSV, ESV. All of those you can find. Another pro is the variety of additional resources available on the website. Not only does it have the Bible, Bible Hub also offers commentaries, concordances, and dictionaries and other tools to help you study and understand the text. And this can be extremely helpful for those that are looking to deepen their study of the Bible. Now, let's talk about a con or two. One of the downsides of Bible Hub is that I believe that they're not always up to date with the latest scholarship and resource when it comes to the commentaries. And so while it provides a wealth of resources and information, some of it could potentially be outdated. Another con is that the website is not mobile friendly. And this, it's a little bit frustrating. Now, it can be accessed on any device, but the layout and navigation of the website is a little bit difficult to see and use on a small screen. On a laptop, great. On a phone, not as great. And so this can be a problem for people that are using a phone as a primary device to do these types of studies. Overall, though, I think BibleHub.com is a great resource for those people that are wanting to study the Bible, wanting to try new things. I know you have Bible.com. There's Bible Gateway, which we have a video. We've done online resource videos that you can check out. We've done Bible app recommendations that you can check out. This is just another tool that you can check out to see if this one works better for you than others. And so this is what we want to do. This is what we want to offer. And though it may be very similar to other things that we have reviewed or other websites or resources that we have recommended, not every single person is going to use every single resource the exact same way, and not every single resource is going to be for every single person. So this might be the one that works for you. And so if you're interested in trying this tool, starting something new and fresh, checking it out, go ahead and do that. BibleHub.com. Let us know in the comments if you use Bible Hub. Have you used it? What do you think? Pros and cons. We want to hear from you also. And if you have any other recommendations for Bible websites to help us all get connected to Jesus a little bit more. And so we always pray that you would stay connected to the vine that is Jesus. And we will see you next time.